So what's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be a review for the hair that I have in my head, and I'm also going to show you all how I maintain this hair that I'm wearing. I'm just going to go ahead and get into the video. So the hair that I have in is from a company called Wiggins Hair Company. I'm sure you've heard about Wiggins before. If you haven't, they're my go-to company. Like, I really like Wiggins. Like, I like the quality of their hair. It's really good. And I bought this money with my own hair. Now, y'all know I meant to say I bought this hair with my own money, okay? My bad. So the hair I have is the Brazilian curly. I have 3 bundles of 26 inches of hair and a 20-inch closure, which you can see right here. It's like the closure that stops like this, so I can flip it to either side. Like, I sweat all in my hairline, so that's why I like closures better, because if I sweat it out, it's just this much, you know, and it's not like this whole shebang that I gotta worry about. It's just this right here. So this is the bag that it came in. This is what it looks like. Even though I got 3 bundles in a closure, I couldn't fit all 3 bundles in my hair. So this is how much that I had left, and this is the original curl pattern. Now, I do want to say that these bundles are very thick, meaning like I got a lot of hair on the weft. Like, this is not even half the bundle, and this is all the hair that I had left. Like, and she put in 2.5 bundles, and this is not even half of the last bundle. Like, it was a lot of hair that you get for your money. I don't exactly remember how much it cost, so I'm gonna link it in the description box below. But I have no complaints about this hair. I really sat here to try and think of some stuff that I can honestly tell y'all about this hair. Like, ooh, the hair tangles and it sheds, da, da, da. I mean, it's curly hair, so I'm not gonna be able to run my fingers through it like straight hair, because they don't make sense. Like, look at the texture. When it's wet, I can do that, of course, like when I come through it, but like when it's like this, not running my fingers through my hair, okay? But that doesn't mean it's bad quality hair. I've had hair in the past before where, like, if it got tangly, it was just tangled, okay? That was it. Like, wasn't no fixing it, wasn't no saving it. But I can't say that that's this hair. This hair is really nice. I love it. The only thing that I want to talk about this hair for real is like the texture. But when I first got it, to me, honestly, it looks like it's a deep wave texture, and it doesn't look curly. Like, cause curly hair to me, it has spirals. But when I first got this hair, like, it had a deep wave pattern. I'm like, I didn't order deep wave hair, so why do I have a deep wave pattern? So it was like 1 bundle that was super curly, the closure was really curly, but the other 2 bundles kind of looked like it was deep wave. But I'm like, you know what? Ain't nothing I can do about it now. Let me just go ahead and get it put in and see how it works. And I got it put in, and I like how it works. So I don't have any complaints. But I kind of like the big poofy look. I like this over dramatic Diana Ross, whatever you want to call it, hair. I like that. So that's why I just let it rock like this. But there are some days where I don't feel like wearing all this hair on my head because it gets real hot, and I don't like being hot. But anyways, if you want to see how I maintain this hair, you got to keep on watching this video. I will have all of the information for this hair in the description box below. And let's go ahead and get into the video.
Okay, so my edges are already wrapped in my little head wrap here, so I'm just going to go ahead and take my hair down from the bun. This is how I sleep with my hair at night, because I don't wrap my hair because I have bad habits. So there's that. Overnight, I noticed that this hair loses a lot of moisture and it gets real dry. When I wake up in the morning, it looks like this. So I'm just going to put some of that moisture back with my conditioner and water mix. And I'm just going to work on one side of my head at a time, because this is a lot of hair. Once I feel that I've gotten my hair damp enough, I'm just going to go through it with a wide tooth comb, starting at the roots and going all the way down to the tips, just to get rid of all the tangles. I'm going to be adding literally a pea-size amount of coconut oil to one section, just to give it some more moisture so it won't be dry. Then I'm going to be using my John Frieda Frizz Ease Curl Reviver. It's a mousse on an ordinary day, but today it didn't want to be one, so you know, liquid it is. But if you purchase it, it will be a mousse. But I like this because it keeps my curls defined all day long. This is the holy grail for me, honestly, my favorite curly hair product. Now I'm just going through and repeating the same steps on the opposite side, but it's literally the exact same thing. So I'm probably just gonna like fast forward through the rest of this just until I get to the end. And that's all, folks. That's literally all there is to it. You can see how defined my curls are. I really love that hair mousse. And it's going to stay this defined all day with that mousse. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, definitely make sure you hit that subscribe. And yeah, thanks for watching. Adios. Till next time.